Hi, I'm Kai Ching and welcome to the walkthrough for my mobile application for the Experiential design course. This is my indoor navigation app which caters for Taylor's University freshmen as well as students. Alright, so let's jump right into the walkthrough. So upon entering the app for the first time, the students will need to log in, which they need to input their student ID as well as their password, and then they can log in. Next up, they will be able to go to the locations that they would like. For this walkthrough, we'll be going to the kitchen 2, which will be pressing the second button. Alright, and now we have entered the AR mode, or from the AR camera. As you can see, there's a line that will be appearing in front of me, alright, which will follow my progress if I move from left to right. And then when the user is moving, then the lines will also be following as well. And as the user moves forwards a bit, and then here is the destination. And that's the walkthrough for this simulation. Now I will show on how this actually works for this prototype. Alright, as you can see, the lines was connected to these spheres, right? While the spheres will actually not be visible. Will not be visible if in the real scenario. Alright, and if you move back, we can see that this line was connected by 4 cubes. Alright, it's connected by 4 cubes because the line renderers will be connected by 4 of these cubes by one script, which is inputted into this AR camera, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4 as well, this script. And the script will be here. Alright, I can input on which cube that I wanted and which line that is the line renderer. Alright, and if I quit the simulation, the lines will not be connected. Alright, the lines will not be connected anymore because it will only start to connect when it is in simulation mode or when I'm using my phone. Alright, and after that, the problems that I have faced for the current prototype, which is that the lines will appear in front of the AR target, and there's another problem, which was the line renderers and the spheres the cubes will be appearing before I even detect any AR target, which was solved by using this on target found, which will enable the line script and line renderer when the AR target was found. Alright, if it's not detected, then no line renderers will be appearing on the screen. Alright, so I think that wraps up for the current Unity walkthrough, and we'll be moving on to the live walkthrough on the phone. Alright, so please enjoy. Alright, moving on from the walkthrough in Unity, we'll be jumping right into the live walkthrough using my phone. Alright, upon entering the app, as mentioned, the students need to key in their user ID as well as their password. After that, they can log in. And for this walkthrough, we'll be going to kitchen 2. Alright, as you press on the button, you can see that the line just appeared, which is because the area target was detected and the lines will appear. Alright, and as you can see, the line is following me when I'm moving left and right as well. And as I'm moving, the line will also be following me, and then there will be some progress update, which at the line that we just moved on will not be appearing at the back. Alright, and as we move, there'll be a curve there. Maybe need to turn, and in just a bit we have reached the destination. Alright, and as mentioned, there will be some flaws for this prototype, in which the lines will be staying on the area target and will not follow the user the whole way to the destination. So this is one of the problems, and as well as the lines appearing, the whole progress of the line appeared when there's area target. So this is one of the problems that I needed to solve. And thank you so much for listening, and that marks the end of the presentation for the walkthrough, and I hope to have more improvements in my final product and make amendments to it. Finally, thank you very much and have a nice day.